In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and import information from SnapMaps and how you can select only the data you want to be imported. You have the ability to control the exchange of data between the SnapPlus desktop application and the web-based SnapMaps application. This allows you to select only the data you want to be uploaded and downloaded. You can choose to upload SnapPlus data from only a specific subfarm or group by selecting it from the drop-down menu here and uploading it to SnapMaps from there. I'm going to stick with uploading the whole farm. As of right now, we know that we have our field acres at 25 acres each. But now we need to draw our field boundaries in SnapMaps. Click Upload, then Website. We are going to zoom in on the area where our fields are and start drawing our boundaries. Once we are finished, we're going to go back to SnapPlus and download that information back into our farm's database. In some cases, you might not want to overwrite information in SnapPlus with that from SnapMaps. For example, we already knew our field's acreage were 25 acres each, and we want to keep them that way. You can control-click the highlighted cells of the field's acres to select or deselect them. Only the highlighted cells will be imported to SnapPlus when you click the Import to SnapPlus button. You will then be prompted to go to the SnapMaps Restrictions tab to import any restrictions detected in SnapMaps. You can also deselect restrictions for import. And then click Import Highlighted Cells to import the highlighted restrictions. Now going to the Fields tab, you can see that the soils, slopes, and distances to water have been imported, but the field's acreage has remained the same. If you click on the Restriction Features cells, you can see that that data has also been imported. This is the end of the tutorial on downloading and importing selected data in SnapMaps.